Hey, what's up guys? John with Springer Collectibles, and we're gonna do a little unboxing today. This is one of 3 large boxes. I'm not sure what's in here. I'm thinking it's gonna be figures in this one. I've already opened one box that had some really nice vehicles in it, which I'll make another video for, including a Skyscraper that had both parachutes. Let's go ahead and open this one up and we'll put it on the ground here and see what we got. Alright. Wow. Alright, I didn't remember this being in here, but off the bat, looks like we have some kind of 25th anniversary set. So not bad. We'll take anything sealed here. Looks like, I think this is Velcro sealed. We're missing the, okay, so it's just the box, so we're gonna have to find the figures. I see 1 or 2 more of these sets. Again, I think the figures might all be taken out of these, but at least the accessories and the original packaging is here. Let's get to the good stuff. Now this is good stuff. That is a lot of file cards right there. So what we're going to look for in this lot with the file cards, not only can we match up all the figures in the file cards, we're also going to look for more of the rare ones. We're going to look for mailaways, redbacks. Redbacks are a big giveaway. They're going to be mailaways typically, so we want to look for those. All right, so we can take a quick glance at these. I really like the figures, but this is the largest lot of file cards I've ever seen. Let's just scan through these really quick just to see if we see any red cards. I'm just going to shuffle them out on the table from a blackjack dealer. There's a driver. Usually when they're blank, we have a driver. So here's Motor Viper. What is that? Looks like somebody decorated the backs to these. That's always interesting. We got a nice Zartan with the psychological profile on there. That's a little harder to get than the other, than the one they corrected. Oh, big one here. We got a heavy metal. Got a heavy metal Mauler driver. Definitely needed that one. Look through all these in more detail. I just want to see if anything stood out real quick. There's a really nice variety of cards here. Oh, there's a nice Duke card right there. Too bad the back. I almost want to see if I can get that off, but so that's a quick look, and there's still more. There's still a lot more, guys. Looks like there's hundreds here. Oh, I got some Python Patrol. So still no redbacks, but we do have, oh, here's one. Let's see who it's gonna be. Showing the camera first. The fridge, we'll take it. Oh, another nice card here. Another driver card. We have Steeler. Yeah, you can look at this, guys. We got a Cobra Commander, hooded Cobra Commander here. His tank driver. Serpentor. Oh, we got another red one. What's it gonna, here's our reveal. What's it gonna be? Oh, Sergeant Slaughter. Not bad. So far I'm really happy with this lot, and we've only looked at the cards so far. Ooh, got the twins. All right, so definitely happy with the cards so far. A lot more to look through, including, look at that, we got Snake Eyes. That's a tough one to get. That's Snake Eyes version 2, guys. Another good one. So a lot more to look through. We're gonna go into the box and see what else we can pull out here. Hopefully we can pull out some nice figures to go with these cards. Let's see what else is in the box. I'm hoping there's some figures in this box. Oh my goodness. Are there ever? You guys know how I love when we just get a big sandwich, a big Ziploc bag of figures, because you just never know what you're gonna get. And it's okay with me, because it just means that the seller didn't know what they might have, because I'm sure there's some good figures in here. Let's just take a quick look in this bag. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and lay a few of these out on the table, and then I'll just bring them up to the camera so we can get a nice look. I'm already seeing some I really like here. So I'm already very happy with this lot, and we just started. Fridge is looking good. There is a little bit of paint rub on the hair after all. Look at that. That's what you want to see in a Viper. Perfect logo, clean face, no paint rub there, no paint rub on the goggles, no elbow cracks. Again, that's Slaughter, guys. Look at the Slaughter. There's a little paint rub on the whistle. The rest of them is money, guys. All right, check these out too. Got a really nice cover girl. Everyone's favorite Alley Viper. We got 2 Alley Vipers. This one's got a cracked elbow, but looking good. Crimson Guard, guys. Usually you're gonna have a lot of leg rub. And he looks really good. Look at this side too. Check out the gold on Iron Grenadiers. These really look like they haven't been played with at all, guys. All right, clear it off the table. I'm gonna see what else is in here. Another huge bag of figures, just like the one we just had. Really happy with what I'm already seeing here. I'm gonna pull a few out for you guys to see again. Another Crimson Guard. I mean, this is just bursting with good figures. Condition-wise, these are fantastic. Look at this. We got a Scarlet Swivel Arm. She looks great. You always want to look on the back to see how the paint is on the back. Of course, we can easily switch out the screws. They're a little rusty. Some people like to preserve the original screws, and there's ways to clean them, or you could soak them in, I think, different kind of oils, or you could use rubbing alcohol, things like that to fix those screws. I personally like to, I'll leave it up to the collector, but I would just replace them with new screws. Look at this. Look at this Arah with the earrings, guys. Really happy. The condition on these is fantastic. And even for being in this bag like this, the condition's fantastic. Got a bats here. Got a nice copperhead with a nice logo. Always look for the blue copperhead. If you're ever looking for lots, you want to look and see if you can find the blue gloves or a giveaway. The blue head, that's going to be a rare variant, worth a lot more. Okay, so before we had that mail-away hooded Cobra Commander, here he is. Before we had the mail-away hooded Cobra Commander card, and there he is. Let's see, elbow cracks, nice logo. The gold is rubbed off. You want to look for that gold. We definitely want the gold to be there, but still a nice condition figure here. How about a Stinger Driver? They tend to discolor. This one's not too shabby. It does have some paint rub though on the nose, which is common. Hoping there's another bag of accessories. I do remember seeing accessories. I hope that we have all the accessories for these figures, because collectors definitely want complete figures. So, a couple more quick highlights. Python Patrol Viper, really nice. How about a Techno Viper? All right, so I'm gonna go through these later and I'm gonna bag them up. Let's see if there's anything else in this box that we can match these up with the accessories. There's a mix though. Looks like we have a lot of body parts here. Body parts and maybe some accessories, but mostly body parts. We'll move on from that for now. More figures here, but it looks like we also have some all the 25th stuff that we saw those boxes in the beginning. It looks like this is most of the 25th stuff. You do see a Serpentor Chariot in there, which is nice to see. It looks like this might be some of what we're looking for here. I mean, parts are good. Looks like we have some vehicle parts, but also parts. Looks like we have accessories and weapons for the figures that are in here, along with vehicle parts. So it's gonna take some time to go through this and match them up. And I use yojo.com, or Mark Bellamo's book. But the thing left in here really, there's a few more odds and ends and vehicles and parts for play sets. So we'll get into those when we open up the other boxes. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to find me on Whatnot, Springer Collectibles on Whatnot. You can find a link below, guys. Thanks for watching.